gone through the first part of the ceremony. We're now going to finish the ceremony. And we're going to start off with an oath to the ancestors. And this was prepared by Dr. Hagen from the African Village out of St. Louis, Missouri. So I'm going to, So I'm going to ask that you repeat after me. Oh, African ancestors.
Oh, African ancestors.
Blacker than 1,000 midnights.
Blacker than 1,000 midnights.
Oh, African ancestors.
Oh, African ancestors.
It is you that we, your children,
It is we that your children
give respect and honor.
give respect and honor.
Oh, ancestors.
Oh,
We
ancestors.
call upon you and welcome you in this place.
We call upon you and welcome you in this place.
African ancestors,
African ancestors.
let your presence fill this space.
Let your presence fill this space.
Oh, African ancestors,
Oh, African ancestors.
who have been purposely excluded from the history books
that have been purposely excluded from the history books
so that the world would not know of your greatness.
so the world would not know of your greatness.
Our African ancestors,
Our African ancestors
who gave civilization to the world.
who gave civilization to the world.
Our African ancestors,
Our African ancestors
who gave arts to the world.
who gave arts to the world.
Our African ancestors,
Our African ancestors
who gave music to the world.
who gave music to the world.
Our African ancestors,
Our African ancestors
who gave sciences to the world.
who gave sciences to the world.
Our African ancestors,
Our African ancestors
who gave mathematics to the world.
who gave mathematics to the world.
Our African ancestors,
Our African ancestors
who gave medicine to the world.
who gave medicine to the world.
Our African ancestors,
Our African
who
ancestors
gave literature to the world.
who gave literature to the world.
Our African ancestors,
Our African
who
ancestors
gave philosophy to the world.
who gave philosophy to the world.
Our African ancestors,
Our African ancestors
who gave God consciousness to the world.
who gave God consciousness to the world.
Oh, ancestors,
Oh,
we
ancestors,
thank you for devoting your life to make a future for us,
we thank you for devoting your life to make a future for us,
for your children,
for your children,
for your great-grandchildren,
for your great-grandchildren,
grandchildren,
your grandchildren,
and for those yet unborn.
and for those yet unborn.
Now stand with us,
Now stand with us,
strengthen us,
strengthen us,
guide us,
guide us,
teach us,
teach us,
and protect us from the snare of our enemies.
and protect us from the snare of our enemies.
Rise up, O African ancestors.
Rise up, O African ancestors,
And let our enemies be scattered.
and let our enemies be scattered,
And give us the wisdom
and give us the wisdom
and the boldness
and the boldness
to deal with our oppressors
to deal with our oppressors
and those who would hinder the liberation
and those who would hinder the liberation
and empowerment of our people.
and the empowerment of our people.
Rise up, O African ancestors,
Rise up, O African ancestors,
and live in us.
and live in us,
And we will not fail to honor you.
and we will not fail to honor you.
We will not fail to respect you.
We will not fail to respect you.
We will not fail to hear you.
We will not fail to hear you,
And we will not betray you.
and we will not betray you.
Ashe,
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 Ashe, O